guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing some almond peanut butter chocolate chip cookie in today's video. Guys, if you want to know more, stick around. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment also if you like it, and most importantly, try the recipe and let me know. Let's get straight into this video. What we're going to do is to combine all the ingredients together. So we're going to add the peanut butter, add in the syrup sack. 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. If you have coconut oil, you can always use it as well.
So guys, this is, I don't bring it already.
What you can do now, you can use your hand and bring your dough together. See how easy? We're going to get our baking sheet and we're going to roll it into a ball. We're going to roll them into a nice size ball. And guys, these make a healthy snack for the kids. And you know, like now it's remote learning for children, so these are some healthy snacks you can make when they get a break from classes in the daytime. This is an amazing snack. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of my bowls and I'm going to press them. These cookies, you can't go wrong with them. You can shape them into any way you like or whatever. You know, you can't go wrong. So you can just press them out and ensure that you give them a little space so when they bake, they don't stick on each other, right? Ensure your oven is already preheating, and you know you can always be decorative with your cookie. We're going to bake these. Now this is 10 minutes in the cooling time. Let me show you how they're looking nicely brown on the back part. Very nice, delicious cookie. You can have it with some milk. Like I said before, you can give these to the kids now that they're in remote learning. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. Until next time, bye.